0 to over 500 million RMB. Around 18 units, I borrowed a few million RMB. I didn't go very well at first. We have been a sauce factory for over 20 years, with over 20,000 square meters of space. It's our newly purchased plant. We grew up our annual output value from 0 to over 500 million RMB. We exported to over more than 30 countries, such as United States, Canada, Russia, and Australia, and so on. Okay, look, this is our shipping area. Around 18 units. Let me explain it. So when you order the machine, we need 3 to 5 days to produce it, and when we ship it. So we can finish everything in around 7 days the most. So you know, in first thing is everything. It's our skid steer loader workshop. So we divide them to 3 sections. Here is for ride-on skid steer production area. Here is the V1000 production line. So here is the 460 production line. Our steel plates are 2 to 3 millimeters thicker than normally what you see on the market. From R&D and design to raw material processing, all the way processing and sales, we can handle everything in-house. Not really. Basically, we sell at factory price and we left the profit to our dealers and agents. This is our new workshop for the mini excavators. Actually, we have an older one on the south side, so this is the new one. First floor is for the shipping area, and you can see the machines are ready to ship. So the second floor is the warehouse. And now we are going to the third floor. The third floor is the production line. Our products are constantly being upgraded. You know, I'm not great, but my team's really great. My uncle started his factory back in 2004 with just 5 people. At that time, they started with the engines and later moved into the compact equipment. That time I was young. I borrowed a few million RMB and started my own export business. I didn't go very well at first, but I've always believed in that where you fall somewhere, you get up there. So I came back 2 years ago and lead the Tovisen's overseas business. Giving up has never been an option. I'm action. Hope we can know each other more.